In this video, I'm going to show you how to export some selected pages within your document in Canva. As when I have this document, you can see it's about 15 pages and I just want to export only page 7 and page 8. Okay, so all I need to do is to come over to share. So when I open the document, come to share, go to download, specify the format in which I want to download. Let's say PDF standard, and then you can specify which pages that you want. For example, let's say page 7 and then comma 8. Okay, and you can do that manually, or you can scroll down and you can see the pages. Okay, so you see page 7 and page 8. You can just pick them in here, or you can say 7 to 8, which is normal. Or in case if you want to add maybe page 3 in 8 also, you can see. You can separate them with the comma, or we can maybe 7 to 8 with a dash. Okay, so now we'll specify 3 pages: page 3, page 7 and 8. If you like, you can add, let's say page 11. Right, so you can see comma 11. You can see the format. So once you're done selecting the pages, you say okay to this, and then you can say download, and this is going to give you the selected pages in PDF. It's going to be arranged in PDF just like this. So these are the pages. Okay, let's now download it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.